Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So last week I made a post about seals and I made another post about sea lions. So putting those two animals together, I figured out that they look very similar to each other. So the purpose of this video is to let you guys know the little difference between these animals. The confusion between these two comes from the fact that they are both pinnipeds, but however, seals and sea lions come from two different families called Phocidae and Otaridae. Talking about their physical difference, a distinctive trait to differentiate these two animals is to check whether they have visible ears. Seals do not have external ear flaps, while sea lions do. Seals are generally smaller than sea lions, but there are exceptions to this. Like elephant seals, they weigh up to 4,000 kilograms. The way they move out of water too is also very different. Sea lions have larger front flippers than seals, so this makes them so much more agile and confident walkers on land than seals. Sea lions can also rotate their hip bone and support their weight to help them push off the ground and almost gallop. Seals, on the other hand, does not have the flipper strength to help them move on land, so instead, they rely on wiggling by arching their backs and using their stomach to inch forward. This means that seals are less elegant on land and will lose a race between the two. Now, talking about their social differences, sea lions are incredible social animals and they are known to be very lousy and smelly when they gather on land. And also, they make barks and grunts to communicate with each other. Seals are much more quieter than sea lions and they are also known to gather on land with one another. This is generally to rest, molt, and run away from predators like orcas, sharks, and leopard seals. During mating season, seals becomes more social and will gather in small groups to find a partner. Though they may attack one another over a single female, but their fights are generally less aggressive than that of the sea lions. So animals fight over a single female too. Wow. On the other hand, male sea lions or bulls are known to be highly territorial during mating season. They form large breeding colonies to compete for dominance against one another in order to claim their rights to mate with a group of females throughout the season. This display of dominance includes posturing, like making themselves bigger than they are, and loud barking to intimidate rivals. They will often result in extremely vicious battles until one of the bulls concedes. These fights may include headbutting and biting, but do not tend to result in fatal wounds, although serious attack may affect their ability to hunt. That's the end of my video. I spoke about the little difference between seals and sea lions, and I spoke about their social difference and their physical difference. Bye guys, see you in my next video.